my channel. This is your girl Sean. I'm back for another video. So if you follow my channel, you know that I love me a good designer luxury handbag. I have an entire luxury designer handbag playlist. I'll be sure to link it on the screen so you guys can check it out. Even have a few of my faves behind me on display. I love a good bag. I don't know, I just recently got into bags, I guess within the last year or so, designer bags I should say, because I feel like they instantly add a bit of class and sophistication to an outfit. Whether that outfit is plain or it's inexpensive, you could be wearing an entire thrifted outfit, Forever 21 outfit, but the right bag just adds a little bit of oomph to it, elevates it a bit. So in this particular video, I'm gonna be unboxing a fabulous new bag that I actually just recently got from Teddy Blake. Teddy Blake sells premium Italian leather, high quality designer handbags. What I love about them is that their handbags are designed by some of the same luxury designers as your favorite fashion houses, and some of their bags are even made in the same factories as your favorite designer luxury handbags. So it's really great quality, great craftsmanship, and all of that, but at an affordable price. So if you're looking for a high quality designer luxury handbag, but at an affordable price, you should definitely check out Teddy Blake. So I actually have this box right here that I'm going to be doing an unboxing for. Here it is right here, all sealed up. I actually did not open it. I wanted this to be a genuine, true unboxing, so you guys are going to see me and see my genuine reaction to the bag. So let's go ahead and cut it open and see what we got. Look at the packaging! Oh my goodness! So it's in this white box that has the black trim. You open it up. It has a little quote right here. Discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. That's what that says. Then you open it up. Look at all of the detail in the packaging. Designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. What else does it say? Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. I like all of this. Look how cute everything is coming packaged. So in this fabulous box is the bag. Here she is. This is the Adelia croc bag. I have it in the size medium. I think they call it media on their website, M-E-D-I-A. It comes in a size small, but it also comes in a larger size. But I wanted the medium size because I am a crook of the arm kind of girl. And let's see if it passes the test, and it does. Oh, this is cute. So it has like feet on the bottom, which I really like. Whenever you're spending good money on a nice high quality bag, the last thing you want to do is actually put your bag on the floor. Honey, that's what we don't do. Look, we're not putting my bag on the floor. No. This is cute. This is way prettier than I thought it would be. It's gorgeous. Look, and they even have the little dust bag. Oh my good, and a thick dust bag that says Teddy Blake on it. This is perfect for when you're like traveling with your bags. You don't want them to get scuffed or anything in your luggage. So it's nice and stuffed. I'm gonna take out some of the stuffing. So it also comes with this little croc embossed little shoulder strap, and it has like a little silver detail on it. I like to use a shoulder strap when I'm like out and about shopping, but y'all know my favorite way to carry a bag is on the crook of my arm. But let me know in the comment section, how do you like to carry your bags? Are you a crossbody girl, shoulder girl, or a crook of the arm girl? Y'all know which one I am. Y'all know I love the doot. But here it is right here. It's gorgeous. I'm loving the croc embossed finish on this. And it smells like that good leather. Ooh, I'm loving it. Okay, so here it is on the inside to show you guys a bit more detail about the bag. So right here, as you guys see, it has a little pocket right there. And then it has this side right here, which you can have like a little cell phone pocket and another little pocket right there as well. And then you have this center compartment right here that has a little zipper. Let's see if the zipper is nice and smooth. Okay, I love a smooth zipper. I like how secure this bag was. I did like the small size. The small size was really cute, great for crossbody, but I like the fact that this bag had a bit more security by having the little zipper compartment when I'm putting my keys and stuff in it. I definitely want to add a little puff ball to it. So I ended up adding this little bag charm to my bag because I like the idea of the different textures, the croc embossed leather right here, and then adding this like little faux fur little puff ball to it. Now, even though this is gold detail, I'd probably still rock it, or maybe get one that has like a silver detail to match like the silver lettering on the bag. But I love adding bag charms to my bags. You guys see, I like adding a little puff ball. I just like adding puff balls to my bag. So I had to do a black one right here, and I love it. It's such an adorable, adorable little bag. It's just cute, cute, cute. Alright, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up if you did. Also, huge thank you to Teddy Blake for collaborating with me on this video. I genuinely appreciate it, and I love the bag. It's a super, super cute bag. I know I'll get a lot of wear out of it. I like the size of it, the texture of the leather, the wood quality of it, the craftsmanship. Everything looks amazing. Even the packaging, from the box to like how it was like so, you know, taken care of and wrapped up really tight, where you can tell like a lot of time went into every detail of this bag, and that's how you can tell something is high quality. Good quality at an amazing and fair price. So huge thank you to them. Anyway, I love you guys. See you all in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.